A husband yang betul-betul dikagumi wanita ialah laki yang mampu dapat respect daripada bini dia tanpa perlu memperingatkan hak-hak dia sebagai seorang lelaki. Yes, sebagai seorang lelaki kita ada leadership role dalam marriage. Agama pun bagi kita certain rights and responsibilities. But here's the thing, your rights should never become your senjata. Ada lelaki bila wife dia disagree dengan dia, terus cakap, I am the husband, I am the leader, kena patuh, agama bagi hak ni ke aku. And bila ada perempuan question this, terus mereka di-label a feminist. She doesn't respect me. She rejects God's commandments. Bro, sabar Ustaz. Kalau satu-satunya sebab your wife respect you is because you selalu kena remind dia yang you ada authority over her, that means you have not earned her respect. You cuma demand it. There's a big difference between earning and being entitled. Perempuan ni sebenarnya, they want to be led. Tapi mereka dah hargakan leadership di mana you lead with wisdom, compassion, responsibility and justice. Leadership bukan aku ada hak, therefore hang kena ikut aku. Leadership is aku ada responsibility, therefore I must be better. You don't become a better husband dengan selalu reminding your wife, aku lelaki, aku suami. You become a better husband bila you become the kind of man yang dia boleh trust. The kind of man yang karakter dia boleh buat wife dia rasa selamat. The kind of man yang bila dia buat decision, wife dia kata, I'm happy to follow this man. Bukan pasal your wife is powerless, but because you've given her a reason to trust your leadership. And inilah part yang ada lelaki tak suka dengar. Your religious rights may give you a position, but your character determines whether you deserve her respect. So jangan weaponize your rights. Live in a way where you tak perlu pun nak mention your rights. The strongest man is not the man who constantly demands respect. It's the man whose character naturally earns it.